हेलो। वी आर बैक। मैं बोलता तो मैं वी आर बैक, बट भाई लोग कितने देखते हैं मेरे को? दो तीन लोग। आई मीन ठीक है भाई, तुम लोग दो तीन लोग के लिए वीडियोस बनाता हूँ मैं वैसे भी। ही अपन देख चुके हैं ये, एंड मेल बॉक्स में कुछ नया नहीं आया है। माइक पकड़ा गया है, उसका होल जो ब्रीच हुआ था उसको होम सेफ्टी हॉटलाइन के बंदों लोग खोज चुके हैं, एंड ही इज डेड या फिर गॉन या फिर कैप्चर्ड या फिर पता नहीं। और अपन को वीकेंड में भी काम करना है, सो दिस इज द लास्ट 2 days ऑफ आवर जॉब। होपफुली कुछ ज्यादा खतरनाक ना हो, है ना? अपन क्या ही हो सकता है यार। वो बैकग्राउंड, वो जो लेडी है अपने वॉलपेपर की बैकग्राउंड में, वो अपन को आके पकड़ के ले जाएगी, ठीक है? वर्स दैट कैन हैपन भाई। थोड़े से टॉर्चर हो जाएंगे अपन को। अब बची कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलने वाली है आज। लेट्स गो। एंट्री अनएक्सेसिबल। ओके। क्लारा क्लोरा क्या नाम था अपनी बॉस का? कैरल।
Park employee, lend thine ear once more. Supervisor Carroll here again. I've updated thy permissions to grant thee access to all relevant household hazard information. Continue thy labors, employee. Soon thy time in the soil arriveth. Prepare thy body.
आई मीन इसका लैंग्वेज थोड़ा ओल्ड इंग्लिश नहीं हो गया? थोड़ा ओल्ड टाइम के ऐसा। आई मीन स्प्रिगन, इसका बात कर रहा था मैं। स्प्रिगन, लाइक इसका नया इन्फॉर्मेशन आया ना। अरे हाँ तू यार, ट्र ट्र आया। एचएसएस सर्विसेज हियर, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू टुडे? Yes, hi again. I'm calling for
Yes,
last time to tell you
hi
advice you sent
again.
us are useless.
I'm calling for
Nothing.
the last time to tell you that the advice you sent us was useless. So, thanks for nothing. Just the other night, I heard singing again.
Oh,
So,
ये
I'm
वो
stalking
प्लांट
this
था आई
upland.
गेस।
I have
मेरे
a
को लग
private
ही रहा था मैं
security
गलत
team
हूँ।
investigating the greenhouse as we speak. What on earth?
पता वो क्या था? मैं उसको वो बोला था, विस्लिन फंगी बोला था, बट आई गेस वो विस्लिन फंगी नहीं था, वो ये था, कुछ और था वो। आई मीन एनीवेज, अपना न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन आया अपन को। एचएसएस सर्विसेज यार, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू टुडे? यार
What the freak? I'm turning pink!
द फक।
Wait, what's happened to me? The doctor sent someone to take me away. I did what you told me to do! I did!
भाई यार ये कोई कोई भी बचता है यार? जिसको भी कॉल करते सब तो अगले दिन मर ही आता है, क्या फायदा हुआ अपना? एनीवेज, ऑटम वाइन्स आर वाइन्स विद ऑरेंज और रेड लीफ दैट आर नोन टू स्लोली ग्रो ओवर अ हाउस, frequently occurring during fall. Homer with autumn is often not feeling dizzy, light or blissful. Okay, that's just the services here. How can I help you today?
Some kind of
I mean,
animal has
okay.
gotten into my cellar.
Cellar?
I know it's
Oh,
down
cellar.
there because I can hear it flapping around sometimes when the house is quiet. Tell me, what to do to get rid of this thing? Because I think it's getting into all my Pinot Noirs and Chardonnays. I found a whole bunch of broken bottles on the floor. Stupid thing is probably getting loaded.
Please
Fuck.
hold.
Okay, bed hag. Oh damn, bed hag. Bed hag are large humanoid creatures with an elderly woman-like appearance. They are known to dwell beneath beds, hammocks, and other suspended sleeping apparatus. Homeowners infested with bed hags will sometimes report croaking or wheezing sounds at night, or the feeling of a heavy weight on their chest at night. Danger. Bed hags are not dangerous to mostly healthy human adults, but small children and humans suffering from breathing problems such as asthma may be adversely affected by the presence. Bed hags are known to steal the breath of their sleeping subjects at night, causing a shortness of breath and sometimes sleeping paralysis. Dorcha. Dorcha क्या है? Okay. Dorcha is one who delivers. Homeowners experience Dorcha commonly report feeling of immense dread and the sensation of being followed or pursued. They may also experience vision of a great lurking shadow. Dorcha danger. Dorcha will deliver that what it seeks. Deliver that which it's matlab there is no coming back from deliverance. Dorcha is otherwise harmless to human if it does not seek. Solution to be solved by Dorcha is to be found by Dorcha. If you or a loved one are sought by Dorcha, it is advised to grieve and find peace through accept. What the fuck? ये क्या है भाई? Dorcha बड़ा weird था। I mean ठीक है भाई। Leprechauns are small humanoid covered in long brown hair that are known to consume common household valuables such as jewelry, silver, and other Precious metals in danger. In addition to being household nuisance, Librarians' appetite for precious metals can also cause long-term damage to heaters, furnaces, and other common appliances if they are not properly protected. Additionally, leprechauns are leprechauns. पता नहीं क्या नाम ले. Leprechauns, okay, can occasionally cause direct harm to human in cases where homeowners have metallic medical implants such as braces, crown, or joint. Okay. Neighbor's doorway description. Neighbor's doorway are a door frame like structure that can often appear in basement or cellars. They are known to cause confusion if stepped through, as well as parallelism. Okay, parallelism, damn, इसके बारे में बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं होगा. Anyways, danger. Neighbors' doorways do not cause indirect harm to humans, but if stepped through, the resulting parallelism will often result in unwanted household activity such as alerted behavior or perceived missing memories in the human who comes through the other side. Oh, in the human, damn. लास्ट में भाई जब स्कीर डाल दिया. Puka, not very pleasant. Puka are shapeless creatures that commonly inhabited home in the shape and the likenesses of a household pet. They are known for their tendency to replace common pets such as dog or cat and live in their place to watch homeowners eat and sleep. Homeowners with pukas frequently report unusual or frightening pet behavior. Danger. Pukas are relatively harmless to humans, but the discarded bodies of household pets they leave behind can over time create other pests and diseases hazard within the home. A foul smell signifies a decay, and the discarded body should be found and founded and removed immediately. So, solution. Reanimation. Reanimations, reanimation नहीं. I mean reanimations भी पढ़ सकते हो, reanimations भी पढ़ सकते हो, reanimation नहीं पढ़ सकते, reanimations. Okay. Reanimations are any deceased remains of living creature capable of moving on their own. Homeowners with reanimations commonly report foul smell, soil being tracked inside the home, and large holes in the ground appearing near or around the home. Danger. Reanimations are capable of spreading a wide variety of dangerous diseases and parasites deadly to humans. So close proximity or contact should be avoided at all costs. They are also commonly used to inflict direct violence against homeowners and are incredibly adept at hiding and waiting for vulnerable moments. स्प्रिंग इसकी बात कर रही थी ना, इसके बाद हो रही थी ना. अगर ये लोग लाइक ये ट्रिगर कर सकते हैं, स्प्रिंग गन ट्रिगर कर सकते हैं. दे आर नोन टू बी कॉज्ड बाय द टच ऑफ अ स्प्रिंग गन. जैसे मैं हॉब मेटाफोराइज करता है वैसे ही कुछ है ये. स्प्रिंग गन्स आर स्मॉल ग्रीन ह्यूमनाइड विथ, अरे यार स्प्रिंग गन की इमेज क्यों नहीं है. Small green humanoid with leaf-like coating on their bodies. They are rarely seen in households and reside primarily inside trees. Okay. They are known to act violently upon homeowners when provoked. However, homeowners affected by spring guns commonly report rapid vine growth in and around their home and the feeling of that the tree are watching them. Danger. Spring guns are incredibly dangerous to humans when provoked, and physical contact with one will result in growth of a spring tree within the affected individual. Spring tree तुम्हारे अंदर grow करेगा? Are you serious? Troll. कुछ ऐसी चीज के बारे में पता अपन को. Description. Troll are giant 12 feet nocturnal creatures that are normally not seen in a home. However, during the winter they will deflate their bodies in order to fit inside home and steal warm materials such as blanket or articles of clothing. Homeowners infested with a troll will frequently report missing clothes or claim to hear the shrill sound of air escaping in the middle of the night. Danger. Trolls are very dangerous to humans when they are startled thanks to their ability to inflate their bodies to the full height of 12 feet in a matter of seconds. Their skin, despite its flexibility, is incredibly durable and will smash through ceilings of most homes when fully inflated, causing property damage and injury to anyone in the vicinity. Do not ever approach a troll. Warlock remnant. Description. Warlock remnant are a residual presence often left behind by a former warlock, most commonly inhabiting older household, castle or underground dwellings. Homeowners experiencing warlock remnants often report object moving on their own. The sound of hostile warning whispers or sighted bearded finger in the reflective surface. Danger. Warlock remnants, while a hostile presence, are mere echoes of their former sleeves and are generally harmless. Their ability to manipulate small household objects can prove hazardous to less cautious homeowners. However, उसके आगे क्या भाई? हेलो? ठीक है भाई. Solution. No, ठीक है. Anyways. चलो ये कुछ भयंकर नहीं था. Anyways, some kind of animal has gotten into my cellar. I know it's down there because I can hear it flapping. Around sometimes when the house is quiet. Tell me what to do to get rid of this thing, because I think it's getting into all my pronounced noise and sharno. I also found a bunch of broken bottles in the floor. Stupid thing is probably getting loaded. I'm not sure what to make of that. अच्छा, ये वो हो सकता है. ये ग्रेप्स होते हैं कुछ टाइप के, एंड ये वही कुछ होता है फाउंड. हाँ, ये वो हो सकता है. वाइन स्पिरिट, यही हो सकता है. वाइन स्पिरिट इट इज. आई मीन मैं गलत हो सकता हूँ, मैं डेड रॉन्ग हो सकता हूँ, या फिर मैं डेड राइट हो सकता हूँ. ठीक है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. एंड वो कैरल थोड़ा अजीब बात नहीं कर रही थी, लाइक यू नो, दी अपॉन दी, ऐसा दाइश शैल दी दूध, पता नहीं भाई क्या हुआ. ओल्ड इंग्लिश. HSS services here. How can I help you today?
So, I think something may have died inside my desk.
मेरे को पता है ये क्या है. तो बोलते क्या था, मेरे को वो नहीं पता. इधर ही गई होगा. यप. Thank you. Another person helped. I mean, कुछ अनयूजुअल हो नहीं रहा है यार, यू नो. संडे के हिसाब से, मतलब क्या, कौन सा डे? सैटरडे के हिसाब से. आई गेस संडे का होगा, लास्ट दिन है ना अपना, या फिर पता नहीं. हेलो, HSS services are. How can I help you today?
I think there's someone watching me. Outside. Something is moving around in the trees and I can never get a good look at them, but...
Please hold.
It's what is it? It's a spring gun. अरे आई एम गोटेड भाई, बिल्कुल परफेक्शनिस्ट भाई, एकदम परफेक्शनिस्ट. मजाक थोड़ी, बिल्कुल बिना इन्फॉर्मेशन देके डायग्नोज कर देता है आजकल तो. HSS services are. How can I help you today?
My brother told me to call this number, but I don't know why.
Okay.
Things have never been better around here.
British.
My brother says he doesn't like the way the leaves move. The way they grow around the house like a warm embrace. Things are good here, brother. Things are good. Would you tell my brother that things are good?
Please hold.
Okay. ये होगा, ये क्या होगा, ये होगा, ये वो होगा. अरे सेलर ग्रोथ होगा भाई. डैम, मैं उसको गलत दे दी जो पहले लेडी थी, वो सेलर ग्रोथ ही होगा. शिट, छोड़ो भाई, एक को मरने दो, बाकी तो बचा लेंगे ना अपन. ये सेलर ग्रोथ हो सकता है इसका. तुम्हारे घर में कुछ उगने लगता है, वाइन हो सकता है वो, स्प्रिंग वाइन. देखने दो. सेलर ग्रोटो यही होगा, सेलर ग्रोटो ही होगा. सेलर ग्रोटो इट इज. पता नहीं भाई, हो भी सकता, नहीं भी हो सकता है. आई एम ऑन लक एंड चांसेस. मैं बिल्कुल स्पीड रन कर रहा हूँ इस दिन को तो. अच्छे से सर्विसेज है. हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू टुडे?
Hi. Do you know how I got here? I'm not where I should be. Please, I was told that you could help me. My family. They aren't my family. I don't know what's happened.
Please hold.
Okay, this is most probably. हाँ, अच्छा, म्यूजिक चेंज करते हैं सिचुएशन के हिसाब से. जैसे कि ये बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग सिचुएशन और बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, तो ये म्यूजिक भी लगा देंगे ऐसा. ठीक है, यू आर चैलेंजिंग मी. हाँ, द परफेक्शनिस्ट, द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ देम ऑल. तुम मेरे को चैलेंज कर रहे हो, रुको भाई. ये हो सकता है. ये है नेबर्स डोरवे. ठीक है, इजी भाई. गिव मी समथिंग हार्ड नेक्स्ट टाइम. पता है, आई मीन नॉट लाइक अरे यार ठीक है, इतना गंदा साउंड करा वो, बट कोई बात नहीं। गिव मी समथिंग मोर डिफिकल्ट नेक्स्ट टाइम, ठीक है? ये सब छोटी मोटी चीज़ें से डर नहीं लगता मेरे को। हाहा। एंड पोटेंशियल पहले। अरे गोटेड है भाई तुम्हारा भाई, ऐसे ही थोड़ी। द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ them all, द परफेक्शनिस्ट। हेलो, this is services here. How can I help you today?
Hello. Things are still good here. My brother has been taken care of,
हाँ?
and you no longer need to concern yourself with our household. Good day.
मतलब इसके घर में क्या था? हेलो, एक्सक्यूज मी सर, अपन ने फॉल्स वो दिया तभी उसको ऐसा हुआ था। हेलो, HSS सर्विसेज, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू टुडे?
There's this awful smell of rotten eggs coming from my dining room, and when I looked to see what it was, I saw this awful, disgusting pile of crap on my dinner table. It's quite big too, which has me worried that whatever produced this might still be in the house. Because who knows how big this thing is? I mean, my dog can't even lay down something that big.
Please hold.
अब ये है थोड़ा, क्या हो सकता है यार? I really don't know. I really don't. भाई तू ना ये ले, ये वो क्या क्या नाम था उसका, तू पूका ले, पूका, ठीक है? पूका ले और चलते बन भाई। मेरे को नहीं पता, मेरे को दिमाग में नहीं खा पाना इसमें। मुझे बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या टट्टी कर देगा तेरे डाइनिंग टेबल में। इसका आवाज कैसा है? जंप स्केयर दे रहा है साले। हेलो, HSS सर्विसेज, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू टुडे?
Hey, yeah, Ball here. I'm not sure what to do anymore. My kids can't sleep at night. I've been spraying about 50 different kinds of pesticides all over the place, washed and scrubbed all the bed sheets as much as frickin' possible, and every night it's the same story. Bunch of itchy kids with nightmares waking up at 4 a.m. and begging to sleep in Papa's bed. I'm fresh out of ideas.
Please hold.
बेड बग्स होगा फिर, ज़्यादा कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं होता, कभी कभी सिंपल आंसर भी हो सकता है ना। मेरा पूरा दिमाग खाली कर दिया एक कॉल ने, पता है? दिमाग खराब। हेलो, HSS सर्विसेज हियर, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू टुडे?
Okay, you want to explain to me what the hell is happening? I called last week to ask why my home heater has been having issues, and nothing's changed after following the instructions you sent me. Be quiet. I know your teeth hurt, but Daddy's on the phone right now. Anyway, we're still freezing our butts off over here, so tell me what the hell is happening right now so I can get this fixed properly.
क्या बोला ये? क्या क्या हो रहा है? होम हीटर?
Please hold.
हीटर में दिक्कत हो रहा तो भाई मैं क्या करूँ उसमें? देख लो भाई, ये मिल गया। ओ नहीं, ये नहीं करना था। सॉरी नहीं। आर यू सीरियस भाई यार? ये तो मिस्टेक सी हुआ भाई। देखो मैं गलती से सबमिट क्लिक कर दिया, ठीक है? मेरे को ये करना था क्योंकि मेरे को पता है ये है आंसर, बट कोई बात नहीं भाई, क्या कर सकते हो? ये तो भाई मेरी गलती नहीं थी, ठीक है? गलती सी हुआ वो। हेलो, HSS सर्विसेज हियर, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू टुडे?
I think some pranksters might be giving my wife and I a run for our money. Lately, my wife's clothes have started going missing, and at night I keep hearing this strange whoopee cushion type sound coming from outside. I tried to scare the kids off by keeping the
Please hold.
Hello, HSS services hiयर, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू टुडे?
Nope, screwed up again. Real good information you gave me here. It didn't fix anything. Would you shut up? Daddy's on the phone. Why is your mouth bleeding? What are you pointing at? What the hell is that?
देखो, हम सॉरी भाई, मेरा वो इंटेंशन नहीं था, ठीक है? मैं तो सही चीज़ें तुमको दिखाना चाहता था, जैसे कि ओके, समथिंग वियर्ड, कुछ अजीब सा रिंगटोन टोन था ये।
Hello, I saw your commercial and I thought I would call just in case you might know what's going on. I was recently putting on my kettle for a bit of afternoon Earl Grey when I heard this awful buzzing sound coming from the cupboard. I looked around inside, but I couldn't find anything but a few loose tea leaves. I'm quite concerned about the hornets and the bees and the like because I'm quite allergic to their stings, you know. So I just wanted to know if there's anything I should be worried about right now. My hearing isn't what it used to be after all.
डिफिकल्ट वन, इसीलिए अजीब सा कॉल था. लूज टी लीव्स.
Please hold.
टी स्पिरिट क्या करता है, फिर स्पिरिट क्यों बोलते हैं उसको? ऑफ कोर्स, मतलब ये जब कॉल आता मतलब इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. गॉट इट. टी स्पिरिट ही होगा, ज़्यादा कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है होगा नहीं, बड़ी श्योर नहीं. HSS services here, how can I help you today?
Hi, we need some medical help. I'm not exactly sure what to say since I talked to our family practitioner already, but he said to call here, so we've been having some trouble sleeping. I thought it was just me, but...
Please hold.
I know what it is. It is a bed hack. HSS services here, how can I help you today?
So, I've been hearing this weird sound coming from the walls. Not exactly sure what it is, but I've been having a hard time sleeping at night because of this sound. Can you hear that? It's been non-stop lately. I've replaced all of my smoke detector batteries and...
Please hold.
अरे परफेक्शनिस्ट भाई, तुम लोगों को क्या लगता है ब्रो? आई एम आई द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय एवर टू एग्जिस्ट इन HSS रिस्पॉन्डर भाई. अरे क्योंकि आई एम, मजाक नहीं. HSS services here, how can I help you today?
The pile keeps growing. Tell me how to get rid of it. The instructions you sent didn't work and smells so foul. I'm hearing angry voices coming from the walls. They keep telling me to eat it. Please, I don't want to eat it. Don't make me eat.
I don't know about that भाई. ठीक है, मेरे पास मेरे हज़ार्ड लिस्ट में कोई भी ऐसा चीज़ नहीं जो तेरे को पूप खिलाने के लिए मना है. सो एक मेरे को पता, बाकी सब समझ आता कि मैं क्यों गलत हो सकता था, बट ये रहा यार. हेलो HSS सर्विसेज, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू टुडे?
Hello? Can you help me? There's this terrible smell in my house, and I can't figure out where on earth it's coming from. I think it's upsetting my puppy Meatball too. He's really been acting up lately. I can hardly blame him.
Please hold.
ये है पूकी, एंड वो तुम्हारा पपी नहीं है, दूर हो जाओ उससे. पूका, नॉट पूकी. टी स्पिरिट क्या कर रहा है, जाके देखते हैं एक बार. टी स्पिरिट हेलो. अरे तो फिर आ गया स्क्वीकी. ओके, मेरे को लगा था यू हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ हिम, बट एनीवेज. द फक इज दिस? 92308 कुछ कोई हेल्प मांग रहा है. क्या हो गया भाई? किसको क्या हो गया? क्या सीन है भाई? किसी को हेल्प चाहिए बताओ, तेरा मैं हेल्प. एंट्री ब्रो. ओके, वो लेडी नीचे गिर गई. वो लेडी नीचे गिर गई या फिर वो अपने जैसे और लेडी समन करने गई है, बट कुछ तो हुआ है यहाँ पे, कुछ टेरिबल हुआ है. एनीवेज, क्या है मेल बॉक्स में? कंग्रेचुलेशन, building decision assuming pass a trial, the soil is fertile, give the beautiful, thanks for the consistency. Impending decision. I don't understand it. ओ ये बस सारे एनोमलीज है, एंट्रीज, एंटर इन्फो स्क्रीन, एंट्री ब्राउजर है अपन पे क्योंकि अपन को सब पता है अब इसीलिए। मैं कुछ जनरली और हो गया वापस अंदर। संडे